What is meant by GMO? A genetically modified organism or a GMO is a plant, animal, or microbe whose genetic material has been changed. By using biotechnology, this process allows scientists to add, remove, or modify specific genes to give the organism new and useful traits. For example, GMOs can be made to resist pests, tolerate harsh weather, or provide better nutrition. The main goal of creating GMOs is to improve crop yield, reduce the use of chemicals, and help solve food and nutrition problems. Example of GMOs in the Philippines. Number 1, BT corn. This corn has been modified with gene from bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis or BT. The gene allows the corn to produce a natural toxins that kill corn borers or one of its major pests. Because of this, farmer don't need to use much pesticide, making farming more efficient and safer for the environment. Golden rice. Golden rice is genetically engineered to produce beta-carotene, which is the body converts into vitamin A. This is important in Philippines where vitamin A is deficiency can cause health problems, especially in children. The rice looks slightly yellowish because of the beta-carotene. It contains BT eggplant, BT talong. Similar to BT corn, BT talong contains a BT gene that helps is resist the fruit and shoot borer pests. This reduces the need for chemical insecticide, helping the farmers save money and protect their health while maintaining good crop quality.
Genetically modified organisms or GMOs have a lot of benefits with a huge impact on agriculture, human health, and the environment, both locally and globally. GMOs transformed farming in the agriculture sector. It made farmers more productive and at the same time reduced input costs and resource consumption. Genetically modified organisms can be engineered to grow more quickly, produce more food per acre, and be resistant to damaging pests, plant diseases, and extremely harsh weather conditions like droughts, floods, and high temperatures. Farmers can achieve consistent yields even in tough climates or regions with poor soils thanks to this adaptability. In addition, GMOs can help people and businesses spend less money on chemical pesticides and fertilizers, reducing their side effects on the environment and humans. By utilizing technology in food production, we can increase the efficiency, which will guarantee reliable food supply. From a human health perspective, GMOs can be engineered to enhance the nutritional quality of food and target particular dietary deficiencies. For instance, one of the most popular GMO varieties is what called golden rice, which was infused with vitamin A, which prevents blindness and malnourishment. The crop is targeted at developing nations where rice is regularly consumed. Other GMO crops can be fortified with important nutrients like iron, zinc, and protein, improving their nutrition and supporting public health programs. Also, scientists can genetically modify foods to remove allergens or toxins that are natural parts of some plants. GMOs can also help food spoilage and shelf life of any fruit, vegetable, and grain to ensure they stay fresh longer. As improvements are made to cut down on food wastage, it helps to make food distribution more efficient and low cost. GMOs provide useful benefits for the ecosystem and conservation of natural resources when using them environment friendly. GMO crops resistant to pests, diseases, and weeds allow farmers to use less pesticides and herbicides, thereby reducing pollution of soil and water. Certain GMO types need less water and fertilizer, which can save water and stop extra nutrients from escaping and hurting the habitat. Also, higher yield crops that are GMO mean that we do not need to convert as many wild acres of forest into farmland, similar as global strategies for managing climate change, protecting biodiversity, and responsible use of land. GMOs have both positive and negative effects on Philippine society, especially in agriculture, economy, environment, and social equity. Crops like BT corn help farmers increase yields, reduce pest damage, and use fewer pesticides, leading to higher profits and a more stable, nutritious food supply. Economically, GMOs strengthen food security and make Philippine agriculture more competitive. However, challenges remain. The high cost of GMO seeds burden small farmers, widening inequality between them and large commercial farms. Dependence on foreign biotech companies also threatens farmers' independence. Environmentally, GMOs may reduce biodiversity, harm non-target species, and cause crossbreeding with native plants. Overall, GMOs bring major benefits in productivity and economic growth, but they also raise social, ethical, and environmental concerns. The Philippines must balance innovation with fairness, sustainability, and environmental protection.